another episode of Avarian Mail. Today I will not be presenting to you this camera. This camera broke down last August, in the end of August, when I was upgrading my PC. I had barely enough footage to actually assemble PC upgrade video. That kinda sucked, because this camera started to show vertical lines upon footage, and yeah, it sucked. So maybe it's sensor going better, some connections deteriorating in time and space continuum, but whatever the reason is, I haven't bothered to fix it. So I decided instead to upgrade the camera. Instead of this one, now I have a different one which I'm using now to film the videos, so I will show you a few pictures of that. But I've got this beauty. It's Panasonic as well, but it's HC-V760. So yeah, it's pretty much bigger and better version, and it has external microphone support and many other things like 6-channel audio, which now is just set to stereo mode because I don't need any of surround sound. I don't have such speakers, so it will work better with YouTube, at least here in my case. And yeah, we'll see how the actual quality is, because it's just arrived today, 16th of June, and I've ordered it like in the evening. That's Friday 14th, right? So the shop was very quick, and yeah, the guys are amazing. They communicated via email and text messages on phone, which is my preferred way. Basically, they only called once, like 10 minutes before actual delivery. Courier guy called that the visit should be expected, and before that they notified me like a day before approximate time, and it was like basically 10 minutes of the time, so very precise. It's not like sometimes you order stuff online and they say that, oh yeah, like in the evening roughly it should arrive, but I will not going to be waiting for you the whole freaking evening, like half a day. So since this is not a review video, I will tell you what I think about this camera quite a bit later, but now I have my chance to finally put some sensible content which I kind of want to see on my live channel, which is LastofAvari Live, and I wasn't doing that much because there's some quality standards below which I don't want to descend. So now it is a definite possibility, and of course this channel will get some sort of vlogs as well, especially this kind of format of Avarian mail, which previously was kind of just thrown together in a not an ideal way, because my phone is not very good for video recording, and there will be much more to come, but you can leave your opinions below. In my opinion, that's going to be pretty good, hopefully. If you like this video, you know what to do. Feel free to share it on the social media platforms. Thank you for watching, and see you later on LastofAvari's channel and LastofAvari now, finally.